How to recover a deleted Instagram account. So if you have deleted your Instagram account but now you want to recover it, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up, you'll be able to see the text boxes over here. So in these text boxes, you have to enter your credentials to log into your account. So at the first text box, you need to enter your username, email or mobile number, and in the second text box, you need to enter your password associated with your deleted Instagram account that you want to recover. You just can tap over the text box and enter the username. Make sure to remember the username, email or mobile number linked with your account. After entering the username, you can go for forget password option. You may have forgotten your password because it may have been a long time that you have deleted your account, so you just can go for forget password. Here you need to enter your username, email or mobile number once again to find your account. You can enter any of them. And after entering, you can go for find account option at the bottom over here, and it will take a few time to find your account. And by doing that, you can see an account confirmation SMS has been sent to my WhatsApp. You just have to enter the code in this section. You can copy the code and you can paste over here and you can go for continue. And after doing that, finally you can see my account has been found out. You just can select your account and go for continue. And after that, you can see my account has been logged in. So this is how you can recover your deleted Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.